Good morning, good evening, good night, whenever you guys are watching this channel. First, subscribe. I know a lot of my subscribers know I made a video that me and my wife had come down with COVID there around February 1st, 2021. And today, right now, it's June the 30th, 2022. So it's been almost a year and a half since we had COVID, and I go and get my antibodies checked. Try to do it every 3 to 4 months, but it's been about 5 months since I've had it checked to see if my levels, my antibodies for COVID is either going up or down. And on this report, anything that's greater than 1 lets you know you have antibodies for COVID. So anything under 1, you don't have antibodies. And you've probably seen my first or second videos. My wife's antibodies was off the chart. It was greater than 20. I'm going to show you mine starting from the first time I took the antibodies test. And like I said, it was around February 1st where we tested positive for COVID. And I'm going to show you right here Glenn's test results for February the 1st. And I'm going to just click on that. And this right here lets you know that I did test positive for COVID around February the 1st. And I took one on February 3rd and 4th. So I had 3 positive tests. I didn't believe the first one. So I went to another location and got another test and another test. And they all turned out positive. So I had COVID. All right. So we went through the quarantine and all that other stuff. And I did have some little side effects. My wife had she had more than me. But I did lose my smell. But about a week later, I did get that back. I did have a fever, and so we monitored everything. But let me show you my test results. Okay, and then around August, August the 13th, I went and got my antibodies checked. So that was approximately 6 months later since I had COVID. But as you can see, the results right there is 1.49. So I did have antibodies. It was over greater than 1. So, but like I said, my wife antibodies it didn't even give her a number. It just said greater than 20. So, but like I said, she had more side effects. She had problems with her breathing, and she had a lot of difficulties. I only had a few little side effects from the COVID. Then I went back. Let's see, I think it was December the 13th. So you're looking at another 10 months since I had COVID. And you saw the first result was 1.49. So we're going to look at the results from December the 13th. Here we go. So I click on that. And look. My antibodies increased from 1.49 to 4.28. So maybe I was exposed again. I'm not for sure. Maybe these antibodies were working, but now my antibodies is higher. I thought maybe it's supposed to go down. You know, that's what they say in the news and all this other stuff, that after an amount of time, if you had COVID, your antibodies start getting smaller and smaller. But for some reason, mine increased. And that was 10 months since I had COVID. So now I did another COVID test right here on June the 23rd, 2022. So that was about a week ago. So let's see what the results is on it. Okay, there go the results. It's a 4.38. So it's still going up and up. This has been almost a year and a half since I had COVID. It didn't go up much. You know, the last one we looked at was 4.28. This one is 4.38. So why is it going up? Any doctors out there can explain this? I asked my doctor, and he said maybe I was exposed again. I wasn't aware of it. Maybe I'm asymptomatic since I've had COVID and I have the antibodies, and that it fights it off right away once I'm exposed to it. But anyway, here's my real numbers. This is from when I had COVID in February 1st, 2021 Now it's June. This last result, June the 23rd, 2022, almost a year and a half later. My antibodies was at 1.49. Now it increased, 3 times to 4.38. So maybe I'm around people who have had COVID and my body just fought it off and I didn't realize it. But anyway, I just wanted to share this information with you guys. You tell me what you think. And thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel. Have a great day.